Okay, what we're gonna do is we're trying to clean up this email. We're cleaning it up. So we remove all subscriptions and we also delete all existing spam messages and subscriptions. So for example, this one, if you see this kind of message, it's offering you like a website notification, just move it to spam right away. If you find something like this, a subscription, click unsubscribe so that they will no longer send us message in here. We will not receive anything from them, any marketing email. And then filter the messages, delete the existing messages that we received from them so far. Delete all. Just click right. Mga ganito, mga notifications, remove. Receive a request from for this type. I think I'm going to create kasi the business is parang exhibit setup. So I think what you can do in this is also create a new label. Let's put operations. And maybe you can operations emoji. Create that and show if unread. Lang. If you see something like that, kung kanina, parang request for code or whatever relating to the business, then just put it in there. Put this in operations. This one's still a marketing material, so if you find this, just delete. DocuSign, operations, and then you can create another folder, DocuSign, but please don't make like as many folders. Action required if there are communication. This one's still a newsletter, so this is just news, and obviously he's not reading it, so just delete everything. Okay. That's what we need to do for all of here. Sa updates, check mo lang din again here sa forums, anything that doesn't make sense. If it's something about submissions, huwag mong i-delete. And if it's an important email, then you can delete. If you're not sure. So what the sure thing here is you just need to remove all subscriptions and all spam messages.